those tires. It smells great. Kind of like perfume at metal. Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm at Beech, Kentucky for Tennessee Drift. It doesn't really make sense. Tennessee event in Kentucky. Tennessee doesn't like having events for some reason. Like, even like the autocross. Half the autocross events I go to, the Tennessee region on Kentucky. Or in Alabama. What the hell, Tennessee?
I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find a piece in me. I wanna be I wanna find myself, but again, it's always a phase. I wanted to stay, I don't understand. I've been losing myself, I've been losing myself.
Yo, you ready?
I am ready. Nervous as hell, but I'm ready.
Don't forget to pull that.
Yeah, I'll pull it a few times. It's not
keep on
like
pulling it.
I got a bed in these pads. Like I literally put it on and brought it here. Like, hope it works.
Ready to send it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Too much of these?
This is probably gonna be a catastrophe. Yeah.
Gotta start somewhere.
Yeah, for real. It's gonna be awesome.
come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's crazy. Control. Your light is gone, alone the darkness fill my soul. Wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's crazy.
So far I got to ride like 4 or 5 cars. I lost count. Ashley, she's rode in quite a few, probably more than I have. Got some pretty decent footage. Having a blast. Something I wouldn't mind getting into. I'm already into too many different types of racing. I don't think I can afford it.
They just bumped it. He's like, fuck you, bro. Get out of the way.
fact, I know I haven't been this excited to review footage.
So how was your first drift event?
My first drift event was the best thing I've ever done. And I want to say to all of you watching, there's no excuses not to try this. It doesn't cost that much, and I promise you it's the most fun you're gonna have. And for like 8 or 9 hours, you get to do all this stuff and never worry about hurting yourself, others, or getting a ticket. Seriously, no excuses. Come out here and try it out.
Support local drifting.
Absolutely. Support all local drifting. This stuff needs to grow. I'm telling you, everybody needs to try this stuff.
So Ryan,
Yeah.
how was your first drift event?
Huh?
How was your first drift event?
It was good. I didn't break anything and I didn't crash. So we're good.
That's a good start.
That's a very good start.
Car is still in one piece. Well, this event is a wrap. Everybody's packing up and going home. If you've never been to a drift event, I highly advise going to a local grassroots style drift event. It was a lot of fun. Normally people are pretty nice to let you ride along. All you have to do is ask. Just bring a helmet and ask. The worst I can say is no. But, you know, I asked quite a few. I think the only person that's turned me down was the guy with no seat. So yeah, support local racing, go to your local drift events, or one that isn't local. Let's go have fun. So don't forget to subscribe, also follow me on Instagram, and check out one of my other videos. Maybe this one, or that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.